Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
So proteinuria is normal up to 150 milligram per day. If the proteinuria is more than 500 milligram per day, that is when the abnormality starts. Now, what is the urine protein concentration? Urine protein composition. The urine protein composition, the total protein in the urine is almost normal. Total amount of protein is almost 150 milligrams. Out of this total protein, Tom Hirschfeld protein will constitute about around 70 milligrams, whereas the albumin will constitute about 30 milligrams. Out of this, Tom Hirschfeld protein is 70 milligrams and albumin is 30 milligrams. So this is the urine protein concentration composition.
thank you and thank you for watching.